Yeah, so I'm at No Frills and I always pass this card at the front, right? But I always like this card where the people like buy stuff and just give out I don't remember what they call it but you know understand what I'm going. So me always come in here and say me always want to buy and left something in night feed, you know, because you don't know things that may thing rough out here. So I decided that I was gonna just grab like a couple of stuff. So I got a pack of this and a pack of this, you know, just something to see me do. You know, as what them say, I just thought of what they do count. So like I'm always working, make something like, you know, I say I work, I can give back even a little bit down. So I decided I'm just gonna give back it at least, isn't it? A little thing, isn't it? And if you know what they say, man, you can do the same thing because you struggle rough and hungry pain and nice, isn't it? So, you know, at least done. Yo! So, we're there at touching after I work. They don't know. I'm Mario there. Williams up top. So, when I don't know what going on some industry a while ago, we just like we shop at No Frills. You know, and we pass a couple times and see the donation challenge at the front. You know, we say, oh, you know, and there we get paid. We can do something, you know. Full up I could every 2 liquors, you know, matter as you don't know you feed a hungry belly. Even if your belly not hungry, you still feed a belly. You understand? So you go in and pick up a couple stuff and drop in it, and you don't know. We are doing it for blessings, we not do it for no likes. You know, we not do it for no love, we not do it for no likes, we are doing it for the blessings. You know? I'm dead. So yeah. As what I say, if you know out the same way and you can do a little thing same way, because worse than them time right you know this time just me like hungry. Hungry I know how easy it you know, hungry easy hungry make it come like somebody thump up in your belly and you know man kick up in your belly and you can't move in there, you know? That's what you feel. Yeah man, like I'm feeling hungry today no start. I don't get lunch, so I go buy lunch and you know that's where I work and you don't know anything come down. So by the time I work and not even remember about food, so they already lick me to blood seed and I said, no, me top walk. Oh yeah man. So as I say, if you can't do it, you don't do it, you see me? I don't know, if you don't know a family or a house or some youth who are really not really happy and you can't even do it one time, it still count, you see me? Yeah man. And take it from somebody who go through whole heap in a life because remember that have you know. Remember they used to wash dirty clothes. You see me? Now I'm telling you know about that. See you next time. Big up on yourself. Good evening.
Right now Nyla is in like Toyland. You like that one? Yay! Oh, take your hand off the floor. Yay! Come look at this. Come here. Look.
Okay, Mama. Okay.
Come. Uh-oh.
A is here. Oh, that's fine.
Okay. Thanks. Mama, look at the dollies. Look. Look. Baby. Look. Wow. Wow. Margot's. Ooh, yes, girl. Go for the black one. Yeah. No?
That's racist.
Yeah, I would want her to have a black baby. Look. Nice. What, you didn't put them in your basket? What are you doing? Why are you taking it from her?
Mama, come on and top make this shirt.
Baby? Which one do you want? Oh, look at you though, playing with the toys. What's up, my girl? You want that one? Okay, go. I'm getting it for her.
To clean up this city. Time to fight crime. I am the night.
No, Ziggy, you're like one big kid. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom.
No jab myself?
No, she has to push with her foot. Oh, when she goes over the Legos, it picks it up. Put it in the back.
Huh?
When she drives the Lego, drives over the Lego, it goes in the back. I wonder how much this one is. I have to scan it. Vroom, vroom. Is there a price under that one?
Yeah, that was easy. What can I enjoy, right? Then, right? You want out now? Hmm? Want come out now? Hmm? You want come out now? Huh? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Vroom. Toot toot. Toot toot. That's it. Pull you on, pull you. Alright, coming up. Alright, go up now, come on.
So y'all, let me put you guys on something real quick. This product right here, Olaplex, if you guys have not heard about this product, I highly suggest that you guys go and research it right now. Go look up some videos. All my natural hair girls, go look up some videos on this product. There is like a lot of raving and like great reviews on this product. I actually used it one time, and let me tell you guys, my curls are coily. Like my curls are back to, or getting back I should say, to its original state. Yeah, so I highly recommend that you guys go do some research. I do want to do a review on this and talk more about it, but in the meantime, between time, y'all need to go check out this product, because this right here is the ish. And this right here, if you guys follow me on my Snapchat, I posted this. This is the multifunctional blackhead remover device, removal device. I got this off of Amazon for $24, call it $25 in Canadian. Guys, I highly recommend this as well. This comes with 6 different heads. Let me see. It comes with 6 different heads. You can't really see it. I know it's not focusing. And it's supposed to help to remove like blackheads and whiteheads on your face or wherever you want to use it. But I use it mainly on my face and all that stuff. And it's also to help reduce acne and fine lines on your face. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. I used it, the first time I used it, I didn't steam my face. So I'm gonna insert a picture showing that. And then I'm gonna insert a picture after I steamed my face, like a week after, what came off my face. Friggin' crazy. Highly recommend this product as well. Really did the job. If you have sensitive skin, yes, you can use this as well. It's super gentle on the face. It comes with 6 different heads. So this is what it looks like. Turn it on. It has oily, normal, and then it has dry. So you can like switch it. It is USB, so it comes with a USB plug that you can use, and then it comes with 6 different heads. So yeah, these are the heads right here. And then the bigger the hole, the more intense the that sounds so bad. The more intense the suction is. Guys, I highly, if you can afford to get this, it includes into your facial routine. Highly recommend it. I don't use this often. I use it like once every so often when I feel like I need to, but this right here, I was scared to buy it because I thought the suction was gonna be good, but this right here, TikTok made me buy it. TikTok also made me buy this, and I'm not disappointed at all. to go in with my brush. This brush is from Shanique. If you guys remember, her name before, her channel before was Journey to Waist Length. I think that was her channel name before, but Shanique, I got this brush from her store. Yo, this brush right here is the ish. Highly recommend this brush as well. So durable. It really helps with like the detangling process. Like my hair is tangled right now, like completely tangled. But this brush just speeds up the whole detangling process. There's not even a lot of tugging. Like look at that. I was not scared at all, and trust me, usually I'm so scared to detangle my hair. But this brush right here, since I've been using it, I find that I'm losing less hair and the detangling process is way faster. I also have a discount code if you guys are interested in this brush or anything on their site. You know the mask that everyone's wearing right now? She has those on her website. She has satin and she also has countries. Yo, so sick. You guys can check out her her website. She has other stuff as well, and you guys can use my discount code to this brush specifically or anything on her site. I'll link it on the screen and you guys can get some dollars off. So it also comes with this little clip that you can attach on to. You see how it's like this? This clip helps to hold it in place to turn it into like a brush. And there you got a white toothbrush.
So boy, this a video have a whole heap of different part to it to those now scared. See that? One more again, you know?
What? I didn't think that. It's so hot.
See there? Mama there, so how you look at this zoom out? You know? Might just make some or this guineas and something gin, like, you know, they are take a one out before we got bed, you know. So me think Nisha asleep, to be honest. Me only somebody call me, oh, go on a joke. We don't mess up on my phone. I raise with Wayne, pick up yourself, you understand? Yeah, I raise with Wayne and me only see. So I say, yo, I say, I need your help. I need your help. So,
is that how I sound?
Me, hurry up, like, me, I say, yo, Wayne, yo, me soon come back. I need to do that thing to Nisha, you know? And, like, me just hurry up and come upstairs. Guess what Nisha called me for? I saw my, you know, so it's only about coming in place around the light. And Nisha, they hope I have to do the vacuum. I say, go help me. I'm like, bro, that's why you call me so serious for, like.
Bro, those bugs, they're so, I don't like them. They're in my hair. Ziggy, I shook up my hair.
Yo, if you recite that, Nisha go come down your side, man. Something in my hair. Like,
itchy after?
But yeah, we're there still, you know?
Yo, Ziggy made his fish. I'm going to go back and make 3 more fish. Fish look nice.
Oh, yeah. Mind bone. Anyway, bless up on yourself. God bless. I'm out.